Welcome back to another video. How are you all? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn how to make a very beautiful Chaak Daaman design that you all will absolutely love. So make sure to like and share the video, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important points. So I am making this design on the front side, and I will keep the back side aside for now. First, we will open the front. Now we need to take a stick paper whose length should match the chaak, meaning from where the hip seam ends down to the hem. Keep its length 1 inch extra so that if it's too long, we can cut it, but it should not be short. Its width should be 5 inches, which means 2.5 inches on one side and 2.5 inches on the other. Now fold it from the center, then fold it again. The important point here is to keep the center gap at 1.5 inches, not more than that, otherwise the design won't look good. Now mark it and draw a straight line, then cut from the center. This way, the design for both sides will be ready. Now stick this buckram onto the chaak, leaving a 2.5 inch gap on both sides. From the hip line downward, leave only half an inch margin. Now cut the fabric from the center and cut the corners diagonally. Fold the extra fabric inward using glue and press it. Now for the center design, we will take strips of contrast fabric. Keep their width 1.5 inches, fold them, stitch them, then turn them inside out and press nicely. Now stick these strips in the center at equal distances using glue so that the finishing looks neat, then stitch them with the machine. Now we will add lace on top of this. I have a floral lace, so I'm cutting the flowers and placing them in the center. If you don't have lace, you can also create a bow-shaped design. First stick it with glue, then stitch it. Now stitch the fitting on both sides just like a normal shirt. On the front side, attach lace with a fold, and on the back side, use simple piping. If you want, you can add lace on the back as well. While attaching lace, make sure both the fabric and lace stay balanced so the fabric doesn't shrink. In the end, fold all extra fabric inward, press it, and do hand hemming, especially on the front, to maintain a clean finish. This is the final look of the shirt. It is a new and beautiful design that looks great on summer outfits. You can also try it for Eid. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and share, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments how you like this design. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.